Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Heeral and today I'm going to share how to make bread cake which can serve in any birthdays. Let's get started. Here I've taken 2 packets of Oreos and now I'm going to separate the cream from the biscuits. If you want you can take the cream as well, but I'm saving the cream for the frosting. I'm using a normal knife, not a slated knife, to separate the cream, and now I've separated the cream from the biscuit. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of milk into the biscuit and going to soak it so that it becomes soggy and it is easier for us to mix it and make a silky smooth batter. Now here I have switched to a spoon instead of a whisk because I found doing with spoon is much more easier than the whisk, and as you can see I'm making a nice flowy consistency. You have to make sure that the consistency is not very thick or not very runny. Now I'm going to add some powdered sugar. Here I'm using 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar to give much more sweetness to our cake. I'm going to mix it really nicely. Here you can see my Oreo batter is all ready. I'm going to keep it aside and let's take our breads. Here I've taken 4 bread slices. I'm using white bread instead of a brown bread. You can use brown bread as well. And now using a knife, I'm going to cut the edges. Don't throw these edges that I'm cutting. You can use them to make breadcrumbs as well. Now here I've taken the cream that we have separated from the biscuit and now I'm going to mash it and I'm going to make a frosting from this by adding 1 tablespoon of milk into this. As you can see my batter, Oreo batter is also ready in a nice flowy consistency, silky smooth consistency. As much as you mix your batter, you'll get a really nice result. Frosting is also ready. Now what is left is to assemble my cake. Now when everything is prepared, let's assemble a cake. I'm going to spread my Oreo batter that we have prepared on one bread slice equally. Here you can see I'm not having a cake board to assemble my cake, so I'm using my normal plate only. You can also do the same if you're not having the cake board. Once you have spread your equal layer on one bread slice, take one more bread slice on one another and spread your another layer of Oreo and repeat the same process with all your bread slices. This is the perfect cake recipe that you can serve on any birthdays, on any occasion, and this is prepared in only 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Here I have only taken one bread as a base. You can also take 4 bread or 8 breads as a base and then layer them equally. Now I'm going to spread my Oreo batter on the sides of the cake as well equally. This bread cake is prepared by only 2 basic ingredients, that is Oreo biscuit. You can take any other biscuit as well, and bread slices. Once you're done with the spreading, here I'm using a piping bag and the frosting that we have prepared, I'm going to fill that frosting in the piping bag and then I'm going to pipe some dots. Here I'm not using a nozzle. If you're not using a nozzle or if you want to make a simple cake, then pipe some dots or designs as per your choice. If you're not having a piping bag, you can also take a plastic bag. If you want, you can also garnish or decorate your cake with some chocolate shavings or some melted chocolate. But here I'm only using the biscuit cream for the frosting. And as you can see, within no time our birthday cake or Oreo bread cake is all ready. Now I'm going to keep my cake in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes so that it is all set. After 15 minutes, take out the cake and cut your cake into equal parts. I'm going to show the result. It's absolutely amazing. It's so spongy and moist as well. As you can see, my layers are looking so equal. For more such cake recipes or quick cake recipes, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.